Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the new filtering and export options available for the work list and work order pages. Previously, exports were limited to work orders within a specific status, requiring users to export each status separately. With this update, users can now apply filters and export work orders across multiple statuses or even export all work orders in a single file. When exporting, you'll see a new option to select all work orders, which includes work orders from current, previous, and completed jobs based on your available records. You can also choose specific statuses to include in the export, giving you greater flexibility over the data you want to review and report on. This enhancement is especially useful for contractor users who need a more comprehensive view of their work orders without generating multiple exports. Overall, these new export filters make reporting faster, easier, and more flexible than before.